Hello guys, this is going to be an audio test kasi I just finished my vlog helmet setup. I'm using SJ-Cam Legend. Okay, ano yun? Shit, it's my paper. It's my paper. That's... What the heck? No, stop. Okay, katatapos ko lang mag-setup ng helmet. I mean, vlog helmet setup. I'm using SJ-Cam Legend. There's been a lot of reviews about it. Medyo hirap talaga sa audio. This is not my first setup. Probably it's going to be my last setup for the Legend. I think this time I'm confident, I think lang na nakuha ko na yung audio. I think I got it better siguro. I think lang. Let's find out later. Check muna natin. This is the camera, SJ-Cam Legend. I had the mic here. Goes through my helmet and inside. Yung helmet na to, merong vents dito. Yan. So, hindi natin niya isasara kasi we're going to do a test with vents open. Tapos we'll do a test on visor open and visor off. Diba? Try na natin. Hopefully guys, this is going to be good. Hopefully. Going to memory PH to drop something, and then we'll go to Antipolo kasi we'll do a traffic test, and then we'll do a speed test. Meaning, kumusta ba yung wind natin, wind noise on high speed? Sana makapag high speed tayo, di ba? Antipolo. Okay, let's go. I'm going to close the visor. Tignan natin kung anong difference nila between now and closing the visor. Ano mangyari sa audio? 1, 2, and there. Dapat kanina ko pa sinara. Hindi pumasok sa mata ko. Wait. Oh, man. Okay, anyway. There. This is now closed visor. Sana makapick up tayo ng speed. Pero dahil muna tayong bagong ilog. Hopefully guys, this is a good audio turnout. If yung video na to ay maganda ang audio, request nyo sa baba, sa comment, kung paano namin ginawa yung setup. Kasi marami naman sa YouTube maraming gumawa ng video how to set up how to do the wind reduction para sa SJ-Cam. Pero this one, merong isang kakaiba kami ginawa. Chinek ko naman lahat, pero this one is different. Wait up. Focus on the road. Bagong ilog muna tayo. Nakasara yung visor natin. And we are on 50 pace. 50? 40. I'm excited kasi matagal ko nang gustong eliminate tong noise na to Matagal ko nang sineset up to ilang tanggal na ako Nakasira na nga ako ng microphone. This is my second mic for SJ-Cam Legend version. Let's go here. One way. Wala naman. Pwede. What I have from SJ-Cam is SJ8 Air and Plus. I have SJ6 Legend which binili ko for myself. Yung 8 galing yung sa SJ-Cam main office abroad. Thank you SJ-Cam. Nice camera. Yung Plus, yes. Yung Air, mas maganda pa si Legend kaysa sa Air. Pero okay naman yun. Pang ano ko lang, pang daily camera na nakamount. We are still on visor. Oh, come on boy. Sana makapick up tayo ng speed dito on closed visor. Mamaya, let's pick up speed na nakabukas ang visor. Whoa. Easy boy. No overtaking sa bridge. Sorry about that. Don't hate me for that. I'm trying to pick up speed just to get the result. Kasi I need this setup talaga. I need this setup done. Or else, pag hindi pa rin to nagawa, mag-shift tayo. Shift tayo na ibang camera nasa bagong ilog na tayo. We'll just pass by Memory PH. Yeah, thank you for my gadget. Tapos anything na napapansin nyo guys, dun sa audio, please write it down so I can check. Baka mas OC kayo kaysa sa akin. Now we're on 70 kph. Kalahin mo 70, ganito lang pala kabagal nun, ano? Okay, we're here, Memory PH. I'm just gonna give the... Wow! I'm just gonna drop something. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Say hello to the camera. We are here at Memory PH. I'm just gonna drop something. Niyasha, hello. Ito na. Ito yung battery. Lumobo kasi. So, are you gonna replace it or babalikan ko na lang?
Balikan mo na lang basta kita.
Alright. Yeah, that's Memory PH. Thank you very much. Let's go. Ayan o. I like this one. I like this one. Boy. Yan. Anyway, cha-cha. Ganyan talaga siya. Lagi siya nakasmile. Masaya kasi siya palagi eh. Bye-bye. Okay, so let's do C5 para makakuha tayong speed. Shucks, ang init naman ito. I'm literally sweating. Mamaya, let's give some points sa mga hindi ko nagawa during summer pag nagra-ride.
Killer Production.
Okay, that's good. Okay, isasara ko yung visor. Then let's pick up some speed. Sana ito kunin natin 80 kph to. How is it? Meron bang blowing in the wind? Alam mo yung song na blowing in the wind? Is it blowing in the wind? Wind of change? I don't know. That's a nice bike. R15, the old version. Grabe yung pwet, no? Yun ang ayaw ko dun sa old version eh. Yung pwet niya, ang laki, ang taas. Nice car, man. I'll go to Antipolo. Iiwanan ko to doon. I'll get my car.
Wow!
Doon ko pinapark yung car ko kasi. Doon ko kasi pinapark yung kotse ko eh. Yung car? Ang arte? Car? Yuck! Okay guys, so wala tayong speed. It's ma-traffic. It's mainit. Okay, some points to take. Lalo ngayon summer. Pag nag-ride kayo, before kayo mag-ride, drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. Cold water. A lot. And then, yung jacket, wear mesh jacket. Kung walang mesh jacket, well, most of us, marami sa atin, nagsusuot ng sweater. Wear sweater na hindi nylon. Kasi yung nylon... Oops, kasya ba ako dito? Paano nyo ba ginagawa to? First... Okay. Got it, Okay. Sweater na nylon. Wag magsuot ng sweater na nylon. Another one. My God. Wear something light. Cotton. Light color. Tapos meron namang iba nagsusuot yung... Anong tawag dun? Yung manipis na mahaba yung sleeves. Maraming ganong klaseng damit na nylon made. So... I don't know, sabi ng lola ko to eh. Pag kumain ka ng karne, lalo na yung beef, tumataas daw yung temperature mo. Or, mainit daw sa katawan yun. Yun yata yung sabi. Kung ganun nga, siguro kumain ka lang ng light. More on veggies and vegetable. No, more on veggies and fruits. Medyo malawag. Let's pick up some speed here. 1, 2... no. There. How's the wind? 80 pa din tayo. I'm hoping we can get 90. Kasi I would say, anything more than 90, I should not be talking. That's fast. You have to be focused on the road. Anything less than 90, okay na yun. Wala natin pag-uusapan doon. Pero anything more than 90, okay lang na maingay, pero kung naririnig pa din yung voice, kasi anything more than 90 kph, you should not be talking. I suggest, nope, dangerous na yun. Actually, sabi nga nila 60 kph, pag na-aksidente ka, may tendency mabuhay ka pa. Anything more than 60, mataas ang tendency na malala mangyayari sa'yo. Diba? So, yun. Target natin is 90 kph. Back to our topic. Summer topic. Yung food nga, sabi nga ng lola ko, don't eat too much karne kasi mainit sa katawan. Eat vegetables, fruits, take a lot of water, make a lot of stops, make a lot of breaks, hydrate. Like ako, meron akong dala. Lok. Teka, walang laman. Sorry. Make sure na may laman. Magdala kayo ng water. And kung meron kayong water bottle, make sure na may laman. Like right now, I'm stuck. Oh, check natin guys. Off visor ako. Yeah. Kumusta yung mga sasakyan ko sa gilid? On my left, merong malaking sasakyan dito. I think it's a 10-wheeler. Malakas yung ingay ng makina niya. Nandyan ba siya? And a lot of other noises. Like yung mga ibang kotse. Motorcycle on my right. Naka-open yung visor natin. Sana yung salita ko ay malakas pa din. Kung naririnig mo yung mga katabi, siguro not that much. Hopefully nakuha na natin yung setup Kasi pag ito hindi pa rin gumana, mag-change ako ng camera. Wala na akong choice kundi mag-move on. Bukas ko muna yung visor ko para mano lang yung aking face. Kasi I'm sweating. Mausok naman. Close visor tayo. There. We are running 60 kph. Jeep sa kanan. How is it? How's the audio? Again guys, if this is okay, make a request sa baba sa comment if you want to see my setup. Kasi alam ko marami yung gumagawa, pero if this audio is better for you than the others, please make a request and I'll show the setup, how it was done. Well, I'm gonna do it again for my other helmet. Yeah. This time malakas yung wind. Mukhang kasalubong natin yung wind. So how is it? Again, visor. Vents natin lahat nakabukas. Wala tayong sinara. Kahit yung sa chin guard ko kasi, ito yung nasa ilalim ng helmet. Ano siya? Net. Meron mga chin guard na tela, so sarado siya for wind. This one, may net siya, so dapat nag-pick up din siya ng wind. Oh, nice! Malakas yung wind Naririnig ko yung wind sa tenga ko, pero sana si microphone. Yan. When you're vlogging, safety first tayo. Huwag mong ipilit na mag-talk sa mga situations na medyo risky. Huwag tayo mag-risk. Pagka mahirap talaga, you can stop naman and then do your vlog, do your talk. No pushing tayo. Safety first. Marami ka pang magagawa kaysa magsalita dito at may mangyari sa'yo. Nice click. I like that. Yan ang color na gusto ko. I think kailangan ko mag-upgrade, pero gusto ko rin ng Aerox Why not? Kuha ako niyan saka Aerox, diba? Pwede naman Audio test. Guys, again if you like the audio of this vlog, please make a request and we'll do the video for you. Like we always do, lahat naman, diba? Most of our videos are requested and then we'll show it. Just write it. Okay, malapit na tayo sa Tikling. Later we'll be jumping to Antipolo. Oh my god! Parang muntikan ako dun sa likod Sorry about that. My fault, my bad. Kasalanan ko yun. Na auto balance yung paa ko. I'm used kasi on putting my foot down sa mga ganyan. Tinutukod ko. That's the way I ride. So nawala sa balance yung paa ko. Nice NMAX, I like it. Yan yung bike na pag nilagyan mo ng box, lalong gumugwapo. Kasya siya. Mas malit yung bike ko, kasya to. Thank you, Manong. Bait ng ibang driver, no? Bait nila, no? Sana lahat tayo ganun. Tayo, pati ako. Yan, may jeep. Ayan yung tambucho niya. Manong, pigain mo. Ay, tapakan mo. Yan, yan. How is it? How is? Kumusta yung noise? Okay naman? Lagyan nyo naman ng like pag okay yung audio. Huwag nyo naman tipirin ng like. Huwag mo nang i-unlike. Lagyan mo na lang ng comment. Maglagay ka na lang ng comment na ganito yung audio. Kung may experience ka on the setup, maglagay ka ng points. Diba? Share tayo ng ideas. I'm just gonna stay here. Malaki. Sa front ko malaki. Back it up. Dito tayo. Keep away from those stuff. Yun yung NMAX. So, brother! Ganda ng bike mo, bro!
Wow!
Ang bilis niya, no? Yan ang wala ako, eh. Yung mga ganyang, mga ganyang lusot, eh. Dito si NMAX. Kasabay ko siya. Yehey! Nice bike. I like this bike. Wala, naiwan na naman ako na NMAX. Sabi ko nga, ito yung wala ako, eh. Hindi mga lusot-lusot na ganyan. Huwag nyo ako kasahan kasi hindi ko ginagawa. Si NMAX. Nasaan na si NMAX? Mayo, go! Eh, no, just kidding. No. Aba. Kaya pa natin sumunod? Kaya. Malakas yung tambucho ni Mio. Sundan natin. Kailangan natin makuha yung kanyang audio. Yung tunog ng... Ay. Check nyo na lang guys, ha. Sana makita sa camera. Pag nag 90 tapos yung audio is good, we're done here, diba? Sa vlog, ang audio very important. We need this to be done. Whoa. Easy boy. It's kind of hard to talk while riding na maraming debris. I mean, maraming obstacles like this one. We need to have space, eh. Kasi preno. Ayun si NMAX. Nakita ko na si NMAX. Wait lang. Hello. Ano to? Lumiliko sila. Ibig sabihin sakyan. Yes, that's the one. Asan si NMAX? Ang bilis kasi ni NMAX, eh. Ano yun na siya, oh. Hindi kayang habulin si NMAX. Akin na tong space. Pakita mo yung Navara. Kinain. Whew! I can't find NMAX. How are we? 80 kph. I need 90. Come on, let it go. Ah, shuck. I can't. Wala na. Okay, yun na yung last ko. Pero 10 kph na lang kulang. I think pwede na siguro. What do you think? Kayo na magsabi guys kung ulitin ba natin to. We need to hit 90. I think this is it. Okay. Is it 90? Ilan na? 90! 90 na to! Okay na tayo sa 90. Meron tayo 90, ha, di ba? Tama. Okay, that was it for me, guys. If the audio is okay for you, please make a request kung paano ginawa yung setup nung vlog helmet, kung anong setup ng microphone. Specific lang naman tayo sa microphone eh. Yun lang naman talaga eh. Other than that, madali na lang yung ibang setup. Okay, that's it for me. If you like the video, if you like the audio, please give me a like. Give me a thumb. And then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you again. Ciao, ciao.
What's on the track? What's on them ones?
All of this is spoken out of courage, not the hate. I don't need to worry about the haters that debate. Tryna press the button to the channel that I like. Rest in peace to Machiavelli, yes he was a star. Music is my passion.